All right, this is part B for number 1, writing the decimal equivalent of the following. So just like part A, the whole number part we can just put there. We don't really have to worry about it. And we just have to worry about this fraction. So we need to do what it says, 7 divided by 12. So that's 7 inside and then 12 on the outside. So we first need to ask ourselves, how many times does 12 go into 7? That's 0 times, so we got to put a decimal and add a 0. How many times does 12 go into 70? You might have to do some math out to the side, okay. A common one you might know is 12 times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1, and then 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So 60 is a common one. Can we add another 12 in there? We add that together, 72 is too much. So we know that 5 is going to be the most that 12 can go into 60. So we're going to put a 5 there, and then 5 times 12, as we just did, is 60. So we have to subtract that off and see what we have left. And we have 10 left. And we have to bring down another 0. So don't ask yourself how many times does 12 go into something before you drop that other 0. So now how many times does 12 go into 100? Well, right here I can see that I had 12 times 5 is 60, and I added one more 12 to get 72. So that's actually 12 times 6. So let's see if we can add in 12 a couple more times. So 84, let's see if we can go one more time. And we can, 96. So that's a total of, we've got 5 here, and then that's 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be 8 times. So 8 times 12 is that 96, so we have to subtract it off, and we're left with 4. So we still have stuff left. We have to keep going. We have to bring down another 0. Okay, now we ask ourselves, how many times does 12 go into 40? Well, if you count by 12s, 12, 24, 36, that's going to be as close to 40 as you can get, so that'd be 3 times. So 12 times 3 is 36, so we're going to subtract that off. And then we get 4 again, so we still have some, bring down another 0. And then you can see that we have the same question as we did before. How many times does 12 go into 40? It's going to be 3 again, and then we'll subtract 36 again. Then we'll be again left with 4, bring down a 0, be 40 again. So we're going to keep getting the same number over and over, so that last number, the 3, is going to be a repeating decimal. So our final answer is, we still have that 1 out there, 1.58, and then 3 repeating. And that's it for part B.